you're experiencing high ping on your Xbox Series X, it can affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. You can do this by running a speed test on a computer or mobile device connected to the same network. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your Xbox Series X to your router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is generally more stable and can reduce ping compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Optimize your network settings. Access your router settings and prioritize your Xbox Series X in the quality of service (QoS) settings. This can help ensure that your console receives the necessary bandwidth for gaming. Step 4. Close background applications. Make sure that no other devices on your network are using excessive bandwidth while you are gaming. Close any streaming services or downloads on other devices to free up bandwidth. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings on the Xbox Series X to faster DNS server such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can improve connection speed and reduce ping. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Xbox Series X's ping. Enjoy your gaming.